In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Yahoo Mail using computer. Let's walk through it together so you can sign out quickly and confidently every time, especially when you're on a shared device. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Yahoo Mail website at mail.yahoo.com. If you're already signed in, you should see your inbox. If not, sign in as you normally would so we can access the account menu. Don't worry, we're only using this to log out, and you won't need to change any settings. Once you're in your inbox, move your eyes to the upper right corner of the page. Look for your profile area. This might appear as your photo, your initials inside a circle, or your username. Depending on your screen size, it could be a small icon. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your browser window is maximized and that you're viewing Yahoo Mail, not a different Yahoo page. Click that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This menu provides account options, and it's the quickest way to sign out. You should see a clearly labeled option that says Sign Out. Go ahead and click Sign Out. The page will refresh and you'll be redirected to the login screen. That's your confirmation that the logout worked. If you no longer see your inbox and instead see a prompt to enter your credentials, you're fully signed out in that browser. A few quick tips to keep your account secure. Always log out when you're using a shared or public computer, like at a library, school, or workplace. This prevents the next person from opening the browser and finding your email still accessible. If you had multiple Yahoo Mail tabs open in the same browser, signing out in one tab will sign you out across those tabs. However, if you're using more than one browser, say Chrome and Edge, you need to sign out separately in each one, because each browser keeps its own session. If you prefer to avoid staying logged in automatically, pay attention to the Stay Signed In checkbox the next time you log in. Leaving that unchecked helps ensure you'll be prompted to sign in again the next time you visit, which is handy for shared computers. And that's all there is to it. You've seen how to find the profile menu, choose Sign Out, and confirm that you're logged out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.